Rick Brunson. Lamang po ang Ginebra San Miguel at the start of the second quarter. 3 seconds on the shot clock. Kenny Payne has to put it up.
Yes, and just in time, +1.
Oo.
Pumasok pa.
It's counted with a foul.
Maganda yung fake niya dahil tumalon ng kanyang dalawang defensive men at nagamit niya ng glass properly, no?
Actually, he was not particularly aware na paubos na ang shot clock. Dalang bagal pa nitong kanyang
kilos.
Pero ayun, inabot nga. At pumasok ang tira. 3-point play in the offing for Kenny Payne. Swak na swak.
Sonny Jaworski led them in a prayer and he said, Lord, thank you for getting us where we are, most especially for the 2 imports we were able to get tonight. He told his guys, it's a do or die game. Don't let me down. Let's go back to...
Nakita niya, tatlo nang nakababa sa Formula Shell. Vince Hizon at to Kenny Payne. He challenges John Blow.
NBA player yan dati. You know, iba na lang yung ano niya, pero may experience na yan.
Former Philadelphia, 76 points in the first quarter.
He also had a couple of rebounds too.
Yes, 6
seconds na lang yan. I wonder kung alam ni Alvarez yan.
Bong Alvarez will have to put it up. Good fake.
Banda, buenas pa, no? Yun ang tawag mong buenas dahil nakabanda ka sa ibabaw. Maganda yung kanyang pero takot rin siya pumasa minsan. Ayaw niya mag-error.
Rick Brunson. Nice bounce pass to Kenny Payne. He was squared for that shot.
Well, Payne is beginning to show.
Has already scored 14 points in the game. Ang kanyang partners, Rick Brunson, has 9. Has not scored here in the second quarter. Sa kasalukuyan, lamang ang Ginebra ng 8. John Best gets away, however. Rebounds in the game.
7 boards, ha?
Oo.
Sabi ni Brunson muna kay Jambulado, doon ka muna sa kabila.
Oo.
Wala yun muna ako rito.
Nailang ako sa'yo. Ito si Rick Brunson.
Laki mo
Kenny Payne.
Post play.
Brunson wants it back. They've got 4 seconds on the shot clock. Biglang pumihit.
Sabay lingon pa. Tumitingin sa radyo. Kami nasa TV. Kasama port ka, 5 fouls ka. Yayakap ka ba ng player sa gitna ng court na hindi tatawagan ng referee?
Rick Brunson pulls up. Yes!
His first field goal in the second half.
That's right. Pero kung nga,
what a miraculous shot there by Marsan, who has given them some good points,
yes,
coming off the bench.
6-point lead by Ginebra. Kenny Payne, nakatapak lang sa linya yun.
To go around the first defender, so Benji was waiting in the wings, no?
Kaya gigiti-giti na naman ito si Rick Brunson.
May gusto nyo pala player ng maganda talagang ngiti. Gusto mo?
Sino? Lockout yun.
Walang trabaho ngayon yun.
Matawagan nga. Rick Brunson against Jun Marzan. The bounce pass picked up by Benji Paras. Tumatakbo si John Best. John Best goes all the way. Yes!
At saka kalokohan na foul yung ginawa ni Jambulado. Konting tulak pa sa likod. Dumadunk na tao.
Best. You look at this. Nakita nyo, hinamol ni John Best yung
wala na yan,
pasa.
You can't stop him. You know, just give him the layup. Tutulak ka pa ba sa ilalim yan? Tatawagan ka talaga ng foul nun.
What a shot for John Best. Siniguro din ni Best.
Scramble defense dito ginagawa ng Shell.
Ito, mahabol naman si Chris Jackson kay Bong Alvarez. 3-point shot!
That's big. That's big after the 3-point steal shot play.
So play, we find Ginebra San Miguel on top by 9 points over Formula Shell, 52-43.